South Central St. Louis County in northeast Minnesota until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of quarter-size hail. This storm was located 11 miles west of Brookston, or 33 miles west of Duluth, and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Brookston by 10 p.m., Burnett, Culver, and Alburn by 10:05 p.m., Saginaw by 10:10 p.m., Independence, Twig, Grand Lake, and Taft by 10:15 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in the warned area, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Minnesota, Carlton, southeast St. Louis, and southwest St. Louis.